Hey, this is Jeff from Task AGI. This process used to take hours. Now it's automated with Task AGI AI agents. Let me show you how.
If you're running an agency, you know how much time gets wasted on lead research, manually visiting websites, hunting for contact pages, copying emails and phone numbers into spreadsheets. It's tedious work that eats up hours every single week. This AI agent changes that completely. Point it at a list of company websites in your Google Sheet, and it automatically visits each one, finds the contact information, and updates your spreadsheet. No copy pasting, no tab switching, just automated lead collection while you focus on actually closing deals. Let me show you how it works under the hood. The workflow starts with a simple Google Sheets connection. Your spreadsheet has a column with company websites you want to research. The agent reads that entire sheet and passes it to a loop node. The loop is key here. It takes each company one at a time and processes them sequentially. For every row, the AI browser automation kicks in. This is where things get interesting. The agent actually opens a browser, navigates to the company website, looks for contact pages just like a human would, and extracts any email addresses, phone numbers, or contact forms it finds. Once the AI gathers that information, a search node locates the exact row in your spreadsheet where that company lives. Then the final update node writes the contact details right into the correct cell. The whole process takes about 10 to 30 seconds per website, which means you can process 100 companies in the time it would normally take to manually research 5. You control everything through simple prompts. Tell the AI exactly what to look for, whether that's general inquiry emails, phone numbers, social media links, or all of the above. The system handles different website layouts automatically, so you don't need to write custom code for each site structure. Setting this up takes about 5 minutes. Connect your Google Sheets account, enable browser automation, paste your spreadsheet URL, and you're ready to run. Start with a test batch of 5 companies to make sure everything works, then scale up to hundreds. This is perfect for sales teams building prospect lists, marketing agencies researching partnerships, or anyone doing outbound at scale. Stop spending your afternoons on manual data entry. Deploy this agent and get back to work that actually grows your business.